7 things to do to go from broke to million. Ever wondered why some people go from being broke to becoming millionaires? What's the secret behind their success? What makes the difference between those who succeed and those who remain stuck? In this video, we will share 7 things that can help you to go from broke to millionaire. These simple changes can change your life and lead you toward true financial freedom. Let's explore them and see how they can make a difference in your journey. 1. Avoid energy vampires. Know people who always take away your energy. They're the ones who only reach out when something's needed from you. When you're excited about something or going through a hard time, they're nowhere to be found. They drain the joy and energy from your life. One friend from childhood fit this description perfectly. He'd call when he needed money, a favor, or simply when bored. But when things were good or when help was needed, he never reached out. This kind of relationship doesn't contribute to growth, so it's better to walk away. Surrounding oneself with people who lift up and encourage is crucial. Choose to spend time with individuals who want the best for you, not those who just want something from you. Energy is precious. Protect it. Surround yourself with those who support dreams and help progress forward. The environment truly shapes the future. 2. Stop asking for advice from people who haven't done what you want to do. Ever listen to advice from someone who hasn't achieved what's desired? It's like taking fitness tips from someone who doesn't work out or business advice from someone who hasn't built a business. It doesn't help. Seeking guidance from those who've already walked the path to success makes a huge difference. If someone hasn't accomplished what's desired, they can't possibly provide the direction needed. Instead, seek out mentors or coaches who've reached similar goals. Their wisdom is priceless. 3. Stop blaming others. Blaming others for misfortune or mistakes is a trap that only limits progress. When life's challenges arise, it's easy to point fingers and blame external factors. But in reality, the only way to move forward is by taking responsibility. Blaming others means giving away control. True power comes from ownership of situations and decisions. Whether it's being late, missing an opportunity, or failing at something, take responsibility. This mindset shifts the focus to action and allows for real change. Control over emotions and reactions is often the key to long-term success. 4. Don't say yes to every opportunity. Saying yes to everything might seem like the way to go, but it leads to spreading too thin. It can result in doing too many things poorly rather than focusing on what truly matters. Learning to say no to opportunities that don't align with personal goals is powerful. This means the focus remains sharp and energy isn't wasted. Choose 1 or 2 key things to focus on and go all in for the next decade. Saying no isn't about rejecting opportunities. It's about protecting the journey toward long-term success. Saying yes to everything means nothing gets done well. Be intentional with time and energy. Prioritize the most impactful opportunities. By saying no, new space is created for the things that truly matter, allowing for a better overall outcome. Overcommitting leads to burnout and poor results. Saying no may feel hard at first, but it ensures that time and resources are spent on things that truly push the goals forward. So, focus on the most important tasks that align with the ultimate vision. 5. Don't be a prisoner to your device. Are smartphones and social media robbing time and energy? Constant scrolling is a big distraction, and it prevents meaningful work from getting done. When goals aren't clear, these distractions take over. Instead of endlessly scrolling, put energy into focused work. Attention is the most valuable asset. It's crucial to manage time wisely. Turning off the notifications, limiting phone usage, and setting clear boundaries helps direct focus toward productive activities. Every second spent mindlessly on a phone is time taken away from achieving goals. Create a vision and stick to it. Make plans and don't let digital distractions steal your energy. Stay focused and avoid the trap of technology addiction. If you're constantly attached to your device, it's easy to get lost in the endless cycle of distractions. By setting boundaries, you can take back control of your time and your focus. Make sure to schedule time away from your phone and stay connected to your real-life priorities. Technology can be a tool to help achieve goals, but it shouldn't be the thing that keeps you from reaching them. Stop letting your device control your time and take charge of what's really important. 6. Don't just read books, study them. Reading is often seen as a step toward gaining knowledge. However, simply reading isn't enough if the knowledge isn't put into action. The real value lies in applying what is learned. Speed reading to finish a book won't yield results. The key is to study books, make notes, highlight important points, and implement the ideas right away. Focus on learning and executing, not just finishing books. The value comes when information is used to solve real-life challenges. Instead of reading out of habit, read with purpose. Study books that address specific needs or gaps. The goal is to apply what's learned immediately, not just store information for the sake of knowing it. Reading without applying can often feel like a waste of time. To truly make progress, it's essential to take action on the ideas and strategies that resonate with you. Studying is an active process. Take notes, reflect, and then implement. By putting the lessons from books into practice, it becomes easier to grow and develop the skills needed to move forward. Knowledge is only valuable if it's used, and the more you apply it, the more success you'll see. 7. Don't compare yourself to others. Comparing progress with others can lead to frustration. It's easy to look at someone else's success and feel like you're falling behind. But the truth is, the only person to compare oneself to is the person from yesterday. Everyone's journey is unique. Comparing different paths won't help because no two experiences are the same. Progress is made by improving a little every day. Instead of focusing on others, focus on improving personal skills, knowledge, and mindset. By focusing on self-growth, you'll avoid feelings of inadequacy and frustration. Understand that everyone moves at their own pace. Comparing oneself to others only steals energy that could be spent on personal improvement. The journey is personal. There's no need to compete with anyone but yourself. Celebrate your growth and keep moving forward, knowing that your progress is yours alone. These 7 changes were made to stop wasting time and to start building the future desired. Success isn't just about adding more things to your life. It's about cutting out the things that aren't serving the goals. Take time to audit life. Start eliminating what's holding you back. Focus on the important things, and the rest will fall into place. The future is shaped by the decisions made today, so start making those decisions wisely. For more content that can help in achieving goals and taking action, like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep pushing forward together.